Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wyld. Today I am taking a me day, or took a me day, depending on when you're watching this. Which is not even all that true. I took some gigs that I thought were pretty valuable and remembered why I like doing gig work in the first place. Very simple. You go in, pick up stuff, get out. The people I was working with today were actually pretty pleasant to work with, and I don't feel that often enough anymore, and I'm glad that I did today. I don't know if it's a good or a bad thing, but it really does show that I might actually just be addicted to the gig economy or addicted to gig work, because that was restful for me. Me just focusing on doing gig work, not having to think about what kind of content I want to make today, coordinating with my partners or anything like that, just doing gig work to that capacity was restful to me. There must be something broken in me if that's the case, but it almost makes me look forward to getting the cargo van as well, because I'm like, all right, I could do ride-alongs, I could do like some content about having a cargo van and making the most money with a cargo van and stuff like that. And maybe that's part of it. Maybe I do need to just do some ride-alongs too. Like, maybe that will lift some of the weight off of my shoulders in terms of me actually getting content out on time, because that's kind of been my balance problem recently. I'm trying to coordinate with my partners. I'm trying to coordinate within myself. I'm trying to get some other stuff done. And I have this channel to work on, as well as other things that I'm trying to provide to you guys between Gig Tax, Gig Poster, the Build Your Own Delivery Service Provider course. All of them are important, and it's true. And I'm running into hiccups in that regard as well. But maybe I do need to take a day at least every week to just, all right, fuck all that. I'm focusing on just doing the work itself, and maybe that'll refresh my mind. I know I also get pretty frustrated at gig work as well, so that could backfire on me too, but nevertheless, it's still something I need to do. Like, sometimes I'll end up finding features on some of these apps so late because I'm not doing gig work enough to notice it, or I'm not seeing updates fast enough, and how people operate in that regard. Or maybe it's just time. Maybe it's just time for me to move on, and there's a part of me having a problem letting go. But yeah, that's just some things I'm battling with in my mind. More refined video is coming out today. I did do a recording, but I was not in a headspace to focus on that. Regardless, thank you so much for watching, and like, subscribe until next time.